Hello everyone. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about next one point in second unit, that is 2.2, that is phenylpropanoids and flavonoids. In that, three drugs included in this chapter under phenylpropanoids and flavonoids. First one drug is lignans, second one is T, and third one is ruta. So first drug is lignans. That lignans are low molecular weight polymers formed by the coupling of two phenylpropene units via their C3 side chains, and between the aromatic ring and the C3 chain are known as lignans. In cinnamyl alcohol, that is a common precursor of lignans, from free radicals and enzymatically dimerases to form aryl tetraline type lignan, whose examples are compounds like podophyllitoxin, 4-dimethyl podophyllitoxin, and alpha and beta peltatin from Podophyllum peltatum and Podophyllum hexandrum of Barbadeaceae family. Biological source in that family of that Podophyllum hexandrum and Podophyllum peltatum, that is Barbadeaceae. Then next, you can see this image of lignans formed by the coupling of two phenylpropene units. Then next, biosources. Lignans are widely occurring plant compounds and are obtained from roots, hardwood, foliage, fruits, and resinous exudates of plants. They represent the dimer stage intermediate between the monomeric propyl phenol units and lignin. The natural occurrence of trimers and tetramers has not been reported so far. However, occurrence of lignans in man and animals has been reported. In the roots and rhizomes of Podophyllum hexandrum royale, that is Barbadeaceae family, alpha lignan has been found. These are the biological source of lignans. Then second one is preparation. So lignans are formed by the reduction of ferulic acid to coniferol alcohol and then through oxidative dimerization and establishment of linkage via alpha carbon atom of the C3 side chain. Then characteristic features. In that, lignans are found as single enantiomeric forms, that is as D or L isomers, though they also occur as racemic products, that is DL forms. It has been found that with respect to their oxidation levels, degree of substitution and structural complexity, lignans differ to a large extent. Then second one drug, that is T. T is an evergreen shrub having several alternate branches. The leaves are pointed, lanceolate or elliptically oblong, having short petiolate. The leaves have smooth surface on both the sides with a shiny green appearance, a prominent midrib and pinnately vein on one side. Synonyms of T, that is Folia thea. Biological source, T is the leaf buds and leaves of the plant Thea sinensis. Family, that is Theaceae. Then next, geographical source. It is often found in the Sichuan provinces of China and northern part of Burma and Yunnan. Microscopic features in that the young stage leaves are covered with silky hair which disappear as they get mature. The surface becomes glabrous almost after the silky hair shed completely. The length of fully matured or completely grown tea leaf is about 5 to 10 cm. The upper surface of the leaf is glossy and dark green colored. The outer lining is elliptical or lanceolate. The apex is acuminate or blunt, and the bases are tapering, having a short stalk. The margins remains indistinctly short and serrate with the serrations ending up as characteristically glandular teeth. These serrations break off readily and are generally absent in the fully grown leaves. The commercial tea leaf is obtained in tea leaves as the bud floripico. Still consists of several hairs, whereas the larger and mature leaves become almost glabrous and smooth. These are the microscopic features of tea leaf. Then, these are all about the microscopic features. It is transverse section of prominent midrib with a broad ridge above shows a discontinuous placidae above the meristyle with an arc of xylem. These are the information of TS of tea leaf. Then next, it is chemical constituents. In that the principal constituents are caffeine, trimethylxanthine and tannin, that is 10 to 24%. Adenine, theophylline, theobromine, dimethylxanthine and its isomer xanthine and volatile oil are present in trace amounts. Percentage content of caffeine present in the tea is 1 to 5%, of which 9 to 10th part appears in combination with tannin. Later, water decomposes the combination complex, resulting in the liberation of caffeine. However, the percentage of free caffeine increases during the fermentation process. You can see these chemical constituents present in the tea leaf, that is theobromine. Chemical test, that is Murex test. This test gives a positive result for tea as it is a purine alkaloid. Murex test, in that drug extract is taken in a petri dish and potassium chloride is added along with hydrochloric acid. The mixture gets residue is exposed to dilute ammonia vapors, resulting in a purple color that disappears on addition of a fixed alkali. Murex test is chemical test used for tea leaf. Then uses, in that the prime pharmaceutical use of tea is a caffeine source which produces stimulatory effect on the heart and nervous system. Caffeine also possesses diuretic activity but comparatively to a lesser extent than theobromine. It is possibly effective in inhibiting angiogenesis, which involves the process of supporting the growth of blood vessels required for the growth of tumor as well as metastasis. Then third one, caffeine from tea leaves. Infusion when mixed with polyphenols, that is epigalactosin 3-gallate, shows strong antioxidant and free radical scavenging properties. By inhibiting ion absorption by tantates and other lignans, caffeine helps in treating genetic hemochromatosis. It also helps in treating diabetes-induced blindness, which is an angiogenic related condition. It also plays a vital role in lowering the risk of ischemic heart disease in geriatrics. These are the uses of tea leaf. The next one drug, that is ruta. Originally native to the Mediterranean region, ruta is an herbaceous perennial which is now cultivated in many parts of the world. Synonym of that ruta, that is rui. Then biological source, that is ruta, is obtained from the fresh and dried leaves of the plant, that is Ruta graveolens L, belonging to family Rutaceae. Then geographical source, in that it is originally from Mediterranean area and it is distributed all around the world. The genus Ruta has 14 approved species, of which Ruta graveolens and Ruta chalpensis are stated as Indian floras. Several countries including India cultivated Ruta graveolens as a medicinal and ornamental herb. Chemical constituents mainly used, that is commonly known as phytochemical compounds in R. graveolens, are acridone. Then alkaloids, coumarins, volatile substance, terpenoids, flavonoids and fluoroquinolones. Rutin was first isolated from the leaves of Ruta graveolens. It is the main active ingredient in Ruta plant or Ruta herb. Then next one is macroscopic features, in that Ruta graveolens L is a perennial scented and glabrous herb or a subshrub. The aerial parts are powdered, aromatic and pleasant. The color of the bulk sample is mild to grayish green. The major part of the bulk sample are stem, piece and leaves. Ruta chalpensis is somewhat similar in its morphology. It is differentiated from Ruta graveolens L by its strong felt smell, ciliate or fringed petals and sharp fruit lobe tops. Then uses of this Ruta, that it is used as emulsions, hemostat, intestinal antispasmodic, sedative, uterine stimulant, vermifuge, rheumatism and in cold and fever in Chinese medicines. It is used as an aphrodisiac and choleretic in Poland. It is used as a bitter and aromatic stimulant, ecobolic and for suppressing menses. These are the uses of Ruta plant. So thank you.